for my mama sitting in the front row here. Heading down south to the land of the pine, I found my way into North Carolina. Stand up the road and pray to God I see heaven light. Well, I made it down the coast in 17 hours, picking me a bouquet of dogwood flowers, and I'm hoping for Friday to see my baby tonight. Cool. So I might have one more surprise for Sherelle. If y'all would help me, y'all are good with that, maybe? Yeah? Alright. Uh-oh, she says, oh crap. See, I'm pretty sneaky, and you thought you were the sneaky one. So, you're not very sneaky. Stand up here. So you know I love you more than everything. More than anything, right? And we've been talking for a little while. And we, anybody have any significant thing going on next October? Stand up. she knows what I'm getting at. I think we've set a date for October 7th, 2017. Right? Yeah. But hold on. She said we can't do that until you put a ring on my finger. So I've talked to her mom. You okay? Sherelle? Will you marry me? She said yes.
So after all expenses, you guys came together for a night of laughter for Sherelle and her engagement. You have helped raise, after all expenses, $3,400. How cool is that? How cool is that? Fantastic. $3,400. Was very happy. Oh man, thank you everybody. This is Sherelle, Chris, I'm Mike Murray, this is Bill Simons, and we're Funny for Fun. Have a great night.